Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. In this part we're going to do a little bit of denoising on the Luminance image that we just deconvolved. So let's first remove the mask that we applied in the last part. So remove mask. And then we're going to open up our MultiscaleLInear transform just like we did before. We have all of our settings and they look pretty good, and we're going to double check our linear mask. So if we preview the mask, that looks pretty darn good. So we'll leave that be. I mean, we could amplify it a little bit, protect more of the nebulosity and the stars. What's 200 give us? But I'm going to leave it with what I had at 100. So we'll close out the preview. Uncheck the preview, and let's do a preview window. Let's get some background and nebula. Let's apply it here. We zoom in and we undo. Let's redo that. There we go. So got a little bit of salt and pepper in there, and if we redo it, smooths it way out. Looks a lot better. So we'll close out this preview window or preview image rather, and we'll apply this to the whole image, and we'll be back when it's complete. Alright, that is completed. So if we scroll in here and we undo, redo. Yeah, that makes it much smoother, and at the top, don't see much when you're scaled out, but you definitely see it when you're zoomed in. Undo. Got it all in there. Redo. So that's excellent. Alright. That's pretty much it for denoising our Luminance image. So I want to say thank you for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.